Chinsa, Isano na Ibere chebono mugaso chitariki emerongo ebere na Isano chomutinyi uikumi na kabiri mwaka w'ichiri ubere na merongo ebere na ebere. Merry Christmas ni nagosemeria ingano gendeta koba gogo chengera rituko elirie Christmas osesuguku awo oisikobo igoko gendeta kobwatia emerobeli getasenikia Ndizi television omugaso obo nagosogeire asenchira iya benande ngwariganie ase okoyabwatia amangana Amayia senchira yo bwenge omugaso obone literiane ngoro kwa Josphat Amisi jora boigo nabo kubwatia amangana ya gwetera ase emitandao ya social media gwetera Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na gwetera boigo YouTube Ndizi TV News. Togo chakabono amangana Amayia korua ase ensemu ya Eldoret umuraibwense Dr. William Ruto nigo aikiranire omayiga anenebwa amasabo asomucho Eldoret gati abali banyara koba bakoenda goso kwikirana omayigo yungati yaye omosbati oye omosbati oye Recho Ruto boigo nyara koba wikirana asensemeyo abarai abange bejikanisa boigo nigo banyara koba wikirana asebanyara koba komosabera omuraibwense nyorangane tunda entangani omayiga bunoyo kolekana anene asorogongo rwa Rift Valley maiga yaye omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto koira oborai bwense ya Kenya. Oroboti uruoto gireta koboto kwerigania kurwa ase MSA to yamangana Amayia togoska mutwe omonogeri bwe bunge enene Moses Wetangula nigo aboririe anene abagendi bechigali banyara ko bakoba maiso chingaki echibagendrete nemirimo yawe yobosombi anene ekero ense ya Kenya gendeta ko bagego chengera rituko linene liesuguku. Wetangula nigo atebire magega yae nigo bono anene emebasukane para iranyara ko bekwira nanse nabantu banyara ko bawika chinga chia asenchira ewenerete.
Tunataka kuona ya kwamba katika msimu huu wa Krismasi madereva popote walipo katika nchi ya Kenya wawe waangalifu, waendeshe magari wakijua kuna wale ambao wanatumia mabarabara ambao hawana magari, pengine wana pikipiki, wana magari madogo kuliko yale makubwa yao, wengine wanatembea kwa miguu. Katika wakati huu tunataka kuona kila driver anatii sheria za serikali. Na hii barabara kutoka Luahaha kwenda Chwele, it's a low volume road. It is not a high density road kama ile ya kutoka Mombasa kwenda Malaba. Na wasihi wabunge wetu muhakikishe ya kwamba hizi matrela sinarudi katika super highway ya Malaba.
Togotikana na oroboti oruo omoriki obotambe wekiombe kia bakori emeremo imense ya Kenya Francis Atwoli nigo atebire wataka gwechisegi ase ense ya ase chinse chiria chia Russia na boigo Ukraine nigo ya ireire anene uchumi yensengima gotagendera boigo Atwoli nigo abaganirie abakenya koba abatwerero nabainane chingaki chingi yago chia ase omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto ekero agendeta kobaga koire bitambuke kwenekia monyale ko bago ikirani chira anyale to ko bako balira abakenya chingaki chi campaign.
Issue of Ruto's 100 days was a very well known issue that in every candidate's manifest everyone had his items on his agenda to achieve within first 100 days. But if you can remember me very well, as both a local and international labor leader. I did warn Kenyans, even before the elections, that it would not be easy for us to go back where we were economically because of what has happened or what is happening currently in Europe. The war between Russia and Ukraine has devastated global economies. Not only the African continent, it has spilled over almost everywhere on the globe.
Tukutigana roboti ururwaye Francis aturi bono togusuka mutwe omwaziri bwa mache Alice Waome niganyare ko bagakora umuyega bwo gusimeka emete ime county ya Murang'a buna enchera eyemoyo kwenekia buna ujiba ense ya Kenya nyare ko bagekonyora embure chetoro naboigo korusia omuchando olia bwo gonchoreria abwirire boigo Alice Waome nigo aganire bono abagavana banyare ko bakora omurobiri bwo gusimeka emete ase chi county chiabo ao.
We have not had enough rainfall. And for the people who have just visited, this place is called the Kaini Dam. And I'm sure the photographers will take the photos of how the Kaini Dam water has depleted for the last 3 years. And therefore, since the people of Gatanga, since the people of Kenya, since the people of Nairobi depend on the Kaini Dam, it's the responsibility of all of us to join hands and grow and plant as many trees as possible.
Plant and not grow the tree. So wherever you plant, make sure you put in place systems sufficient to ensure that that tree being your responsibility to make sure that the tree grows. The supporting arm of that government will use and recruit 100,000 youth who we are calling Green Army. So we want to tell the youth that there is an opportunity to create employment, to be part of the employment as we do a very noble duty of restoration of the ecosystem. I'm saying 100,000 for a beginning. Youth will be recruited into Green Army by the national government through the Ministry of Environment.
Nigo bono ya rokanire ngabangina bange nigo banyalete ko bakuniririrwa anene chinga kichia obochori obonene imense ya Kenya bochori banyalete ko bogoeta korenganiwa amo no bochori banyalete ko bokorekana ase amatuko se myaka nyalete ko bagigoeta orono roboti rwabatogetu bene amo ne byombe byekikanisa nabo ige byombe biria bikoenekia buna banyalete ko babikorwaniriria obwene bwa abangina.
We did not capture violence at the household. We realized that that is one of the key recommendations. Comparing 2013 to 2017 and 2022, our data did indicate some slight decline in issues of violence.
It was a unique experience, though there have been other women's situation rooms in the past also in various countries, but this was unique because it was with the peace and mediation, the National Peace and Mediation Team.
From the report, we see recommendations on how we could do it better, but again, on the great work that women can do if given an opportunity. It is a story by its own. It's an encouragement for this nation.
County ya Kajiado imense ya Kenya nere county ya Wangoiga koenekia ugwateka kwa uburuire bwa kolera nonya nabo abarai anene kurwa ase sector ya bacheno me county iyo nigo yababuririe abamenye be county ya Kajiado banyara ko bamaiso elio koenekia buna tirara nyara ko bagotambukirwa amono uburuire obwo bwa kolera nonya nabo sector iyo yo bacheno ime county iyo nigo ya enekire nganyare ko bagikoira ebitambukiro bya bene koenekia buna uburuire obwo tiburagendera ko bokogendera ase county iyo.
We have a cholera outbreak. We have 2 cases which we are managing at the facility. The source is from Nairobi. It's a mother and a daughter. But I want to report for the records that they are in they are in a stable condition. Our officers are taking care of them. They have been isolated, and we are prepared to handle this outbreak. We have handled it before. We have what it takes to handle such outbreaks. We have the reagents, the medical equipment, and a lot of health education is currently being done in our sub-county and of course all over across our county. And we just want to urge members of the public that they need to observe hygiene-related issues, basic things like hand washing after visiting washrooms. The basic thing is the hygiene and the kind of diet they eat. People need to live in a clean environment. We are also keeping a trace of the contact tracing to see that the disease will not spread. But more importantly, there's no cause for alarm. The patients are in stable conditions, and we have all the reagents and all the kits that are needed for this assignment to happen.
What I can tell our people, that let us in churches, in public barazas, let us talk about cholera. Tell us let us campaign for it, because it's still at the initial stage. But if you keep silent and quiet, this is might come and affect us in long run. What I've seen, and Waziri has shown me through even the medicine that they have and equipment, they are ready to do and to control and try to do whatever possible to save the people from cholera, the outbreak of cholera.
Togotikana na iyo bono eserikali county ya Murang'a nigo yachakiri omoroberio bwoko enekinga yanyareko bage koimukia oburimi bwekemeri keria gikawa kubwaterana amone ebengi enene boigo niga eserikali yibona yanyareko bage kubwatuka chibilioni 53 kwenekia buna anene kyanyareko bachigosira ogosiegwa na boigo obonia bwekawe iyo ime county eyo ya Murang'a.
Tunaangazia mambo ya production ya kahawa. Tunajua production saa hii on average iko chini sana, chini ya kilo 2 per tree, but then we want to move hiyo kahawa itoke kilo 2 ielekee kilo 5 hadi 10. So our target is to reach 10 kilos per tree kwa kahawa. Na upande wa efficiency ya factory pia tunafanya modernization ili tuweze kuwanunulia ecopulpers ambazo zinatumia maji chache na pia ivunjavunji zile beans za kahawa. So then that means quality ya kahawa itaenda juu, ndio wakulima waweze kuweka pesa mfukoni.
Na miradi ya kahawa ya value addition tunasaidia factories kuanza kuprocess kahawa yao ndio waanze kuuza kahawa yenye imekuwa value added. Kwa hivyo tumeanza packaging kama tumeanza na kahuhia na sasa last week tumekuwa Yego.
Ayongati yali yatogene tokabuto kweriganiria kwawetera ase emesa yaito ya mangana amayetigangereri bagari gwakeranga mbia muno aso kwereri bagari yago na kweneke kwanyare ko kubwatia emeroberio imegata seni yaito kia Ndizi TV anene lituko eliria lerekero gendeta ko gochengera omuyega ogo obwesuguko bia muno sana ase oyo minto John ke batyo yone kianga chibi chamana mariyo gyanyare ko baga gochera ase nchire bwikirano tomerana nande Chinsa 10 aso kubaretera ya mona yanda amangeli terana ngoro kwa Josphat Amisi.